Good luck.
Kill him dead.
Yes, sir. You too.
Me and Michael out here on public land in Texas, hunting for turkeys. I've never shot a gobbler, so this will be a first time for me. It's the first time really ever spring turkey hunting. Excited to be out here, excited to do it, and to do it on Texas public is even more fun. We just split up. We drove around, listened this morning, try to hear any gobblers, but couldn't find any birds. It's been really windy. A front just blew through. We're just trying to roost a bird for in the morning so we can get on them. But this evening is just basically a scouting mission. Try to get on some birds. Hopefully we hear one before the evening's up. Alright, I just spotted a hog. I'm gonna go try to kill him real quick. I've been here like 10 minutes. Let's go. It's gonna be pretty tough. The good thing is it's windy, so I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get to him. just shot a hog, and he ain't too far from the road. Dude, I just shot that hog, and then a tom comes walking in. I think the tom got weirded out, but he's not far. He just walked off over here to the brush. I'm gonna text Michael, let him know that I'm on birds and pigs. I think I'm gonna set up some decoys in here and try to kill turkey tonight. Dude, this is crazy. Head back to the truck. I feel like I can kill in this spot tonight. I saw a gobbler, just shot a pig, just took care of him. It's a tough little hike back in here, but heading back to the truck, gonna go grab a decoy. And I feel when this wind calms down, we might be able to kill turkey right here. If not, I'm pretty sure we're gonna hear a turkey. It's a wild place. Just got my decoy set up. About to get settled in here. I'm gonna start calling. See if that gobbler comes back. There's a lot of turkeys here. Just heard a gobble, probably 300 yards away. Hopefully this gobbler at least gets within earshot when he roosts. If I can roost this bird, I think I can kill him in the morning. We're at a good spot. I heard a gobble earlier back behind me, but I haven't heard it since. I'm confident if we come back in the morning, we'll hear some gobbles. This is a good spot. Woo, woo. He's like,
Yeah,
he's either in that little clump of trees there or the big one further.
Yeah, that's exactly what I heard too.
He gobbled like 3 times. That's gotta be the one I heard last night because I couldn't tell what direction. Probably the best way is to go back down.
That's what I was thinking.
Where I went down to go get that hog and just beeline it over there, I guess.
Yeah.
We're 189 yards from that clump of trees, but it could be the ones behind that.
So we get to like 100, hope there's an opening.
All right, let's do it.
We'll give him a couple minutes and then we'll try. So he's that far one. He's that far that way. Yeah. Are those gonna be big enough out there?
Yeah, he might be in this stuff. Or he might be in this open stuff.
Mm-hmm.
He
cut me off, so we might be able to close the gap a little bit and call him.
And that's open. If we can bust through this and get into this, we're good.
This little opening right here. Opening. That's what we say in the north. Basically leads down to what's water on Onyx. But I think it might be dried up. And it looks like it's got a bunch of roosting trees where that bird might be. I think he just flew down onto the ground and can't hear us now because he was responding to calls. So, we're going to buzz down in there and see if we can't get him to gobble again. In between us and that creek. Can we get down in the creek? Goes and just try to call up the creek. Go get it, go get it. Freaking go! Let's go! And I just see a freaking blue head coming over the hill. You're kidding me? Yes, sir.
Let's go, dude. Good job. Here.
Can't draw it up any better than that. It's my first time. Oh, I'm sick.
Dude, you said, should I take him? And I look at him and he goes, I was like,
Yeah, I was like, crap.
oh my gosh.
Oh, wow. You got a decent beard.
Yeah.
Take that.
Dude, take that every day of the week.
Heck yeah, dude. Dude, thanks for calling me.
Yes, sir. That was awesome. He was sitting over here hammering, and I did that, like I called and he gobbled, and I called again and he gobbled. I was like, he's coming.
Oh yeah,
Rope.
he's coming.
Rope him.
Man, we worked hard for that one.
Yeah, we did. Through the jungle.
We heard a gobble from 800 yards away this morning. We thought it was a lot closer than that. Popped down the bottom, and then we heard a gobble. Sounded like the same distance. This might be the same one I saw last night because there's a similar length beard.
Yep.
I don't know what you're supposed to do at this point. I've never done this before. Who should it be?
I think we should call KC.
All right.
Gregory!
Hey, what's up?
Just driving to Tyler's house. What are you doing?
What should we do if
Stop.
what should we do if we shot a gobbler at 9 o'clock? Should we go shoot another one?
Yeah, you should go shoot another one for sure.
All right, we'll go do that.
Nice, dude.
Dude, Michael just called him straight in.
That's
And-
cool. Did you shoot him?
Yeah, I shot him.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
Y'all some killers.
He probably gobbled 20 times.
Yeah, send me a picture.
All right, I will.
Guess you gotta call Tyler too now.
What's the word?
Hey, what's up?
You got a turkey down?
We got a bunch of feathers,
Oh no.
and
What'd you say?
there's a dead turkey right next to him though.
5 inches of beard right there.
Let's go. Did you call him in?
Yeah, Michael called him in for me, and
Headgummit. Way to go, guys.
he was like full strut coming over the hill. It was pretty cool.
Let's go.
Yeah, he was
Headgummit.
gobbling like crazy, like probably 20 times on his way over to us.
Oh, man.
He lost a wing.
That's why it's not cool.
This is cool, man. First gobbler and to do it on public land here in Texas. Don't get any better than that.